Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Robinhood user, tax season can feel overwhelming, especially with all those confusing documents. But don't worry, I'm here to break it down for you in this full guide for 2025. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to read and understand your Robinhood tax documents like a pro. Let's dive in. First things first, why do these documents matter? Robinhood sends out forms like the 1099-B to report your investment transactions to the IRS. This helps you accurately report capital gains or losses on your tax return. To get started, log into your Robinhood app or website and head to the Account section. Look for Tax Documents under the Statements area. Once you find it, download your 1099-B form. It's usually available by late January or early February for the previous year. Now, let's break down the key parts of the 1099-B. At the top, you'll see your personal info, like your name and account number. Scroll down to the Proceeds from Broker and Barter Exchange Transactions section. This lists all your buys and sells. Pay close attention to the Proceeds column, which shows what you earned from sales, and the Cost Basis, which is what you originally paid for the stocks. The difference? That's your capital gain or loss. One important thing to watch for is wash sales. If you sold a stock at a loss and bought it back within 30 days, the IRS might disallow that loss. Robinhood flags these in the form, so make a note. Also, don't forget about short-term versus long-term gains. Holdings under a year are taxed differently than those over a year. Once you've got a handle on the numbers, transfer this info to your tax software or consult a professional. Remember, accuracy is key to avoiding penalties. For 2025, Robinhood might have updated features, so double-check the app for any new tools or guides. Wrapping this up, understanding your Robinhood tax documents doesn't have to be scary. Follow these steps, and you'll be set for tax time. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more investing tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.